Using Arduino to create an authentication system can be accomplished with RFID cards, keypads, or biometric sensors for user authentication. Here's a general step-by-step guide to creating an Arduino-based authentication system using an RFID card reader as an example. Materials required: Arduino board, UNO, Mega, or Nano, RFID module, e.g. RC522, RFID cards or tags, buzzer for feedback, LEDs, optional for visual feedback, breadboard and jumper wires. Step 1. Connect the RFID module to Arduino. Connect the RFID module to your Arduino as follows. RFID pin Arduino UNO pin, VCC 3.3V, RST digital pin 9, GND, MISO digital pin 12, MOSI digital pin 11, SCK digital pin 13, SDA-SS digital pin 10. Step 2. Install necessary libraries. Install the MFRC522 library for RFID readers. Go to Sketch, include Library, Manage Libraries. Search for MFRC522. Install the library. Step 3. Define RFID tags. Define the unique RFID card IDs